Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel Science to Technology. In today's show Computer Wednesday, I'm gonna doing something different, and today I'm gonna show you my very cheap, very affordable home network setup. So let's dive right into it. So my setup starts with the primary TV that I do my all presentations on, and as you can see, this is a smart TV. Now this TV has the luxury of Netflix, which requires a stable internet connection. For that reason, I have connected this with our Ethernet system. This is my main primary computer, and this is my main basically ONT, as you can say. This optical router receives optical data from Geo and gives internet signal out of Ethernet system. Now this has 4 jacks and 2 USB-C if I want to use a file transfer protocol, and 1 phone jack. Now 2 of them, one is desktop, this one is desktop, this one is television, and this one goes to second floor. Now that's the interesting part. I had a prior router and I decided to use them as an extender of this. While this has very strong internet transmitters, it does not transmit over to second floor very well. Like I will get around 200 Mbps on the ground floor, and second floor, if I'm lucky, I'll get stable connection. So the cable goes to this, and it was done very recently, so I did not have enough time to finally route the cable. So as you can see, depending on your situation, you can spend more time to fine tune the cable. I have 2 cables going. One is Ethernet, another is a phone cable. Now this is my second floor, and this is my second TV. Now this is generally mostly used by my family, and this also has a Netflix, Amazon, and all those jazz built into it, so it also needs internet connection. And this is the TV setup box that is provided by GeoFi, but this also needs hardline connection. Now again, it's not necessary or everything has Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi is not stable, and not to mention, the more equipment you use with Wi-Fi, the more unstable it gets. So this is generally connected by Ethernet, and this is the main event. This is how you can see I have used my second Wi-Fi router, and as you can see, the WAN connection is empty, simply because this is not doing internet. This is all it's doing is acting as a switch and access point. So basically the signal comes in from primary line, the ground floor, goes to the TV, goes to the set-top box, and it itself acts as a Wi-Fi repeater. So benefit of that, it's I get very strong signal here. Basically in my second floor I get complete coverage. Side effect, because this is an old equipment, I only have 100 Mbps. This equipment is 100 Mbps class, so it's not a gigabit equipment. So even with Ethernet I can only expect 100 Mbps. Thankfully that's more than good enough for, well, almost everything. So it's not too big of an issue. And as you can see, like when the fiber provider provided me the main internet, this became redundant, so I started to utilize them to get more out of it. So this was my small presentation on basically how do I have set up my internet connection. I hope this was helpful, and you can see where you can use your old equipment to improve your quality of life. So hoping this was helpful, I'm gonna end this video, and thanks for watching.